I just picked this up on Amazon. It's called the Wippro all-in-one air heater, diesel heater. And I just fired it up this morning. I got it in a couple days ago. It's cranking out some good heat. What I will do is Amazon has this flex tube right here, 1-inch flex tube, and it comes in like an 8-foot length. So I'm gonna do an extension, extend it out, or put the 8-foot piece here. Now I won't have a coupling, that won't work. Anyway, I'm gonna extend it out about 8 feet and run it out the garage over here. Lift the door up a little bit, then close this inner garage door, and then we'll see. I think it's going to be great. It already feels warmer in here. It's already taken the chill out of the air. Right now it's 60 degrees. So yeah, I think I'm going to like this. It would make sense that if you have a pretty good sized shop that you might need a couple of these placed in different areas of your shop. One thing that it does require is electrical. I guess that's for the glow plug. So I got it plugged in here. You can run it off of a solar generator. It has these connections back here. So if you have a cable with a cigarette lighter on it, you can plug it right into your solar generator. Just make sure to check your requirements. Make sure your generator's designed to pull the power that's required to run this. I think I paid $214 with shipping. One thing I will say is the instructions aren't very clear as to what to do, so I would suggest watching an unboxing video and you know, do it the correct way. Yeah, a little bit more of a detailed instruction manual, especially on the LCD screen and how those functions work. I'm sure I'll figure it out, but it'd be nice to know ahead of time. All right, that's it. Y'all have a good day. Take care.